Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to What's Up in the Woods. Today we've got an exciting episode. I'm so excited because my new stuff has just came in from Googan Squad. So I didn't order any baits because I just got a big shipment in of Googan baits. But I ordered the new Googan Squad camouflage hoodie. That is awesome. I'm so excited for that. Then I got the Mondo Optics. I got the Gil goggles, so I'm super excited for those. We're gonna open that stuff up right now. So I'm gonna set the camera right there. Okay, first off, we've got the Googan Squad sweatshirt. I've been waiting on this stuff. They were actually really quick. I mean, I got it really quickly. And last time I ordered all my baits, it took a long time. Sweet, dude. This is awesome. I've never seen anybody wrap a whole sweatshirt in the hoodie. In the hood. Oh, dude, this is sweet. I'm digging the camo. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Everybody loves a fresh new sweatshirt. Oh, yes, boys. That is the deal. Okay. We've got the Mondo Optics. I've actually never seen these on my face, so I'm just gonna open them up. These are the Gil goggles. Oh, that is sick. Look at that. Googan Squad little package. Yes, boys. Ooh, everybody loves a fresh pair of sunglasses. Oh, dude. These are freaking sick. Yes, boys. These are sick. Alright, guys. So these are the new Mondo Optics, the Gil goggles. Got the new hoodie on. So if you guys want to see more short videos like this of me getting some apparel or Googan stuff like this, leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.